Hi, I'm Farai from Elite, and today I'll be showing you how to use the smart classrooms located in the library. To control the displays, use the white service panel located to the right of the professor's computer. To start things off, make sure you're on the screen with the white background. If you're on a screen with a black background, click either the back or the center button to go back to the home screen with a white background. The classrooms have 5 displays: the projector, as well as 4 desks, each with different colored chairs. To start things off, click Source Reset. What this will do is it will reset all their displays to their initial configurations. So the blue TV will go to the blue PC, green TV to green PC, etc. To display a particular TV across all the displays, click All Displays, and then select the display you want to show across all the televisions. To connect to the TV, you can use an HDMI cable located in the black compartment at the center of each table. In the same compartment, you can find power outlets to charge your devices. If a student's laptop does not have an HDMI port, they can rent an adapter from the front desk of the library. Attached to the ends of each HDMI cable is a puck which will be used to control the displays. Once plugged in, the puck will have a white ring around it as well as a 1 button in white. To turn on the display, click the 1 button, and the puck should turn green. In order to temporarily hide the display, click the 1 button again, and to turn off the display, click the off button. Students can alternate between the displays by clicking the 1 button on their puck whenever they want to show something on the display. It's recommended that the students adjust the volume on their own computers. If you do need to increase the volume on the TV, however, you can use the black NEC remote located next to the professor's computer. It's recommended that you turn down the volume on the projector as it produces a noticeable echo. In order to do that, click the whiteboard and click the triangle and turn the volume all the way down. In order to adjust the volume on the professor's computer, you need to use the sound tower. To use it, flip the switch located at the bottom of the speaker, then adjust the volume using the controls at the front. Once the class is done, instruct the students to return the puck back into the black cabinet. If you need any help with the classrooms, feel free to approach one of the Elite staff located at the front desk of the library.